Hello, my name is Engin Kurşun. I have been working in ONNET project as a visiting research fellow since early August, and also I am a PhD student at Middle East Technical University in Turkey. And in my thesis in general, I am looking at the Open Coursera movement in Turkey. In this brief video blog, I'm not gonna talk about how to establish an OCW project, but I would like to highlight three important issues that I came across during my studies. First of all, I would like to mention about general structure of the OCW initiative. Initiating an OCW project is not an easy task. There are lots of OCW initiatives around the world, and each has their own models. Whichever model they follow, OCW initiatives should be a systematic process. By systematic, I mean we have to organize our resources very carefully. We have to make our plan very carefully and know what will we do in the next steps. That is, we have to plan it and organize. And by systemic, I mean this process consists of different kind of components, and each components may affect each other. These components can be corporate issues, staff engagement, or producing content, and etc. So we have to be reminded that this process should be planned very carefully. And then secondly, I would like to mention about for determining and selecting right incentives. I think determining right incentives and selecting them are very important as well. We can provide various type of incentive to our faculty members, but here the important issue is to ask the right question. We can ask to ourselves, how do we incentivize our members to share their course materials? Or we can ask, what causes our faculty to be willing to share their knowledge or their course material with others? I think here the second one should be the question that we are asking during our OCW project. You can find detailed discussion about asking the right incentive question in Nancy Dixon's blog post under this activity platform. After asking the right question, if we need, we have to select right incentives. I think instead of giving direct financial oriented, we should give different kind of incentive. Since giving money, I think, conflicts with the nature of the open source philosophy. We have to make our faculty members to feel they are sharing, not selling their course materials. We make them feel as we are supporting them, not hiring them. And in my opinion, if we could not select the right incentives, we may kill the spirit of the sharing, which is already exists among some of our members. And lastly, and I would like to mention about briefly the content management system that we will use in our institution as a course sharing platform is also very important. Okay, this system should have lots of properties. I don't want to enter detail for this, but I would like to especially underline that it would be very beneficial if this system is integrated with our institution current system. What do I mean by this? For example, you may have a learning management system and separate OCW web platform, and people will not want to use these two separate systems. They have already high workloads and they don't have time, and people don't like to change their habits. Instead of this, it would be very powerful If we can combine both LMS and the courseware platform so that our faculty members had flexibility onto what they want to share and to what extent they make them open. Thank you very much. That's all now, and see you on virtual workshop platform. Thank you.